Hello creative mind, welcome home. I'm Survival, and do you know what? Today you begin to harmonize using your left hand. In the previous class I showed you how you run the scale in chords. Today you will be harmonizing those scales I taught you using your left hand. So without wasting much time, let's get to work. Before we start, you have to do this finger exercise. You'll be using these fingers, this, and this in doing the finger exercise. So I will take it gradually, try to follow, and then practice. That is the first finger exercise you have to do. Do it as many times as possible, then you do this. So after doing this, then you have to do this final finger exercise. I will take it gradually, try to get it. So what am I playing? I'm only playing the octaves. This lower fa and then the higher fa. The lower so and then the higher so. The lower la and then the higher la. Then this to and then the higher to. And then the lower do and then the higher do. So that is what I am playing. So try to do this finger exercise. It will help you a lot as you are advancing in the piano, because you will be using most of this in playing the piano. In the previous class, I dropped a link on a PDF that I prepared, which will help you on the notes and the fingers you are to use in playing your chords in the right hand, and then how to harmonize it in the left. I believe you've downloaded the PDF. If you've not downloaded the PDF, please kindly check on my description. I'll drop the link again. Try to download the PDF. It will help you to understand this class, the previous ones, and then the classes that I am yet to do. The PDF will serve as a guide. So I already showed you how to harmonize the fingers to use in harmonizing in the PDF. So now we are to practicalize it. To harmonize the scale using your left hand, you only need this double do, the lower octave do and the higher octave do, and then the fa and so for the very beginners. So this is how you run the scale. For the very beginners, I will take it slowly again. So for the medium players, there are 1001 ways you can harmonize the scale on your left hand, but I will just show you a few. I will refer you back to the PDF I prepared. It will help you a lot. So for the medium players, there are 1,001 ways you can harmonize these chords on your left hand. So I just showed you one out of many. I'll refer you back to the PDF I prepared. It will help you a lot and guide you in harmonizing these notes in your left hand. So that will be the end of today's class. In the next class, we'll be learning the solfa notation of some songs and then playing it on the keyboard. Do you know what? By next class, you'll become a pianist. Congratulations in advance. So see you next class. If you've not subscribed to this my channel, please try to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that anytime I upload video tutorials, you get to be notified and you watch it and then do the required assignment. See you next class. Thank you.